38,000 GitHub stars. Trending number 1, and it only launched a few months ago. This is Last 30 Days, the AI skill that searches the internet the way real people actually search it. Here is the problem. You ask Claude or ChatGPT about something happening right now, and you get a knowledge cutoff or a hallucination. You go to Google, you get SEO spam and news articles you have already read. Neither of them tells you what real humans are actually saying today. The makers of Last 30 Days put it perfectly. Google aggregates editors, Last 30 Days searches people. Reddit threads ranked by upvotes, X posts with real engagement, YouTube transcripts, Hacker News developer takes, and real money Polymarket prediction odds all in one query. When you install this skill in Claude Code, it adds a command /last30days that fires a multi-source parallel search across Reddit, X, YouTube, TikTok, Hacker News, GitHub, Polymarket, and the web simultaneously. It doesn't just aggregate links. Version 3 uses a pre-search brain that resolves your topic. If you search for a developer tool, it already knows the relevant subreddits, GitHub repos, X handles, and YouTube channels before it searches. Then it scores results by upvote counts, view counts, and real prediction market odds. Installation is one command. Open your terminal and run. npx skills add mvanhorn /last30days-skill-g. That's it. It installs globally for Claude Code and over 60 other AI agents at the same time. You can also install directly inside Claude Code with /plugin marketplace add mvanhorn /last30days-skill. After install, just start Claude in your terminal. The /last30days command is immediately available. Let me show you this working. First demo, what is the internet actually saying about Claude Sonnet 4.6, Anthropic's newest model, right now? Watch what happens when I run the command. The skill fires entity resolution first. It maps Claude Sonnet 4.6 to the relevant subreddits, Hacker News threads, X posts, and YouTube videos. Then it searches all sources in parallel, scores everything by engagement, merges duplicate stories, and synthesizes it into a cited brief. This is real data from real people. Right now, Reddit threads ranked by upvotes developer consensus from Hacker News. The best takes section pulls the most viral quotes and clever one-liners from the community. This would have taken you an hour to gather manually. Second demo, and this one surfaced something I genuinely did not know. I asked Last 30 Days to compare Claude Code, Cursor, and Windsurf, which AI coding tool does the developer community actually prefer right now. The results are wild. Claude Code has a viral endgame thread with nearly 3,000 points on Reddit. Cursor just hit 3 billion ARR and was acquired by SpaceX for $60 billion. And Windsurf, it was silently rebranded to Devin Desktop on June 2nd. RIP Windsurf is literally trending on the subreddit right now. I had no idea that's the power of this tool. One more feature worth showing, the HTML export. Add -- emit equals HTML to any query and you get a self-contained dark mode brief you can drop directly into Slack, email, or a shared drive. The numbers are hard to ignore. 38.8 thousand stars and 3,100 forks. Trending number 1 on GitHub. 14 releases in under 6 months. The team is iterating fast. Version 3 launched with a completely new entity resolution engine. Let's talk about what makes this genuinely good. First, multi-source by default. Reddit, X, YouTube, Hacker News, Polymarket, and GitHub, all in one pass, not separate queries. Second, scoring is based on real engagement, upvote counts, view counts, and prediction market money, not random samples. Third, zero config for the free sources. Reddit, Hacker News, Polymarket, and GitHub all work immediately with no API keys. Fourth, the version 3 entity resolution understands topics before searching, so it finds the right communities automatically. Fifth, HTML export for shareable briefs. And sixth, it's MIT licensed, fully open source, runs on your local machine, and has zero tracking or analytics. 38,000 developers trust this enough to star it. That doesn't happen by accident. Now, the honest limitations, because you deserve those too. 1. It's a 30-day window only. This tool is built for recency. Historical research is not its use case. 2. YouTube requires YTDLP installed separately. That's an extra setup step. 3. TikTok and Instagram require a paid scrape creators API. That's real money. 4. X search needs an active browser session, not an API key. Your actual logged in browser. 5. Polymarket odds only exist for topics with active prediction markets. 6. It relies on external API stability, which is not guaranteed. Where this genuinely shines, pre-meeting research, where you need a 30-second snapshot of someone's recent activity. Competitor intelligence, understanding community sentiment before building a feature. Travel planning with real wait times and closures from locals. Comparisons grounded in actual developer adoption. This is one of the most useful skills in the Claude Code ecosystem right now, and it is completely free to install. The install command and GitHub link are in the description below. If this video helped, hit subscribe. I cover Claude Code, local AI, and practical tools every week on this channel. See you in the next one.